Just see, I am injecting here and you just see the power supply. Yeah, see, this board is giving short circuit. See from a bit far, just I am injecting this and show you the DC supply also. Yeah, it is showing me full short. Okay, it is showing me full short. I'm keeping this board here and I'm taking another board. What the case is in this board? Okay, see, this board is randomly worked on, no problem. I will check this board once. I'm going to inject here. Now see, the reading is 0.06. In 4 digit you will show you 0.060.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.
See, we will going to check the impedance of the laptop. Yes, impedance. Let us see the impedance. 159. See, this coil is showing me 002. Okay, and this coil 170. See, bias pin number 8, 002. See, 002, 088, charging coil 542. That means we are getting here this coil shorting, bias pin number 8 also shorting, and PCH coil also getting 0.002. Okay, now in this case, maximum we can think that this is 3 volt coil and this is 5 volt coil. Okay, and this 3 volt coil is short, showing me short, and bias pin number 8 also showing me short, and PCH coil, this is our PCH coil, it is also showing me shorting, means low impedance 002. Okay, in this case maximum chance your CPU is going short.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.
But how to confirm is my CPU is actually short or not? Okay, so directly to our PCH section, means CPU. See brother, here this CPU has 2 parts. One, this part is a CPU part, okay, and this part is a PCH part. Okay, this part is a PCH part. So PCH part coil is here, and this coil IC, there should be one IC and PWM. So this is the IC of your PCH section. Okay, maximum when the CPU is getting short, the CPU is actually not short, but the PCH is getting short. Okay, PCH part is getting short. So we have to confirm from here this PCH. Okay, now what I will do,
subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
see, I have which hot gun I am using, no problem, you can use iron also. See, the one is input and another is output. Okay, just I am checking here. See, this is the output connected with the capacitor line for 002, and this is the input. Input is not showing me any impedance because the IC and MOSFET is removed. Okay, because the IC and MOSFET is removed, so it is not showing me, getting me any impedance here. Okay, just if I put the MOSFET, it will show me the impedance. Let us see. I am putting the MOSFET again. See, I have put on this MOSFET again. Now I have not put on the IC over here. IC is removed. Now I will show you the impedance. See, actually the impedance will show now. See, this is the output part. It is showing me 003, and see the impedance of input part. See, it is 448. That means it is 100% confirmed that your PCH part is gone. Okay.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
If you like the video, please click on the like button.